Okay, I guess we are live now. So very quickly, I'm going to be sharing my screen so that for today, um, we're going to be doing a live review on London and New York section. So just give me a moment. Let me just quickly set this up. So very quickly, I have on my screen here the weekly time frame for Euro USD. So the last time, so very quickly, I'm going to ensure that today's live stream is not quite long. I'm already stressed out from quite. We see after this massive move to the upside, then we see a price for out here, and then our next target is this sell side liquidity. So this is our draw on liquidity. Why? This was acting as relative equal lows. Like, okay, let me show us that on I think the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes time frame. So this was as relative equal loads. So we can see a trade 1 to 4, and you can see another trade we caught here. So we have these lows take outside liquidity to be taken out. So for the next 1 to 2 weeks, now until on the weekly time frame, this sell side liquidity is taken out. I am still going to be expecting more sales on Euro USD. So let's go into the 15-minute reacted to the section open. And yes, before I forget, because of the daily times and all of that, so the time zone has changed. So now it is no longer 2 to 5, it is now 3 to 6 for London section, and eight to 11 for New York section. Nine, that should be 9 to I think 12. Then for London section, then 2 to I think 5 London section. So prior to, we can remember that whatever we are doing here, value gap here, So price came into this fair value gap here, taking out sell side liquidity. So, and we can also see that as soon as sell side liquidity was taken into this order block here, just before the London, this was at this level, we have another liquidity. So this sell side liquidity acting as a draw took place at this level here. So that we have this, as we can see here. So we could have taken our entry from this point. So we could have taken our entry from this point and liquidity resting below. So that would have been okay. So I think that should be it on Euro USD. Quite an interesting price action today. 100. Yeah, so price has drawn into the gap. So prior to the we have price coming into our gap. Okay. Let's see, next daily candle is going to be draw on liquidity, which is this buy. So draw into our draw on liquidity. Whenever there is price form a gap, that's going to be acting as a very strong pull to pull price towards it. So then I can now go to the lower time frames to begin to look for sell trades that are in line with my setups, my criteria. In order for the second daily candle, how it forms. So this candle is still remaining about 2 hours, 41 minutes, 30 seconds to finish. So let's see how the candle forms and then closes. So if it gives us a good posture, so if it gives us a ability above here, good deal. So fair value gap we have below here, closes below it. So targeting buy side liquidity above here. For now, still patiently waiting direction, a more clearer direction. So probably tomorrow, maybe I'm going to be trading, I don't know, depending on how less busy, maybe I'm going to be trading London on side liquidity taking out. So like I said that today live stream is going to be short, and see you tomorrow or maybe next tomorrow's live stream, and take care guys.